What if you could step into a different timeline? One where AI doesn't take your job, it builds your freedom. Let me show you how one tool, Jasper.ai, can help you quit the 9-to-5 and start earning from day one. This is Jasper. It's not just another writing tool. Think of it as your AI copywriting assistant, one that never sleeps, never complains, and delivers sales copy, blogs, scripts, and more in seconds. You get access to dozens of pre-built templates, blog posts, ads, email campaigns, YouTube scripts, SEO descriptions, and more. Just select a template, give Jasper a prompt, and it generates a full draft in seconds. Let's walk through it. Here I choose the blog post template. I enter top 5 productivity tools for remote work in 2024, click generate, and boom. Jasper gives me a full blog structure. It writes headlines, intros, conclusions, everything. This one feature alone saves hours. And that's just scratching the surface. You don't need to be a writer. You need to be a systems builder. Set up a Fiverr gig offering blog content or copywriting. Use Jasper to generate 3 killer samples. Here's an example. I'm writing a blog for a tech startup using Jasper's one-shot blog post template. Prompt: the future of AI in healthcare. Jasper gives me a polished 600-word post in under 60 seconds. I tweak it slightly, deliver it to the client, and get paid $75. Do this 3 times a day, and that's $225 per day, or $4.5K per month, all automated with AI. This is long-term passive income. Use Jasper to create product reviews and listicles. Monetize them with affiliate links. Example: I generate an SEO blog titled Best Budget Laptops for Students in 2024, all written by Jasper. I embed Amazon affiliate links. When readers click and buy, I earn 4% per sale. This one post ranks on Google, gets traffic, and brings in daily commissions, even while I sleep. Most business owners don't have time to write monthly emails, but you do with Jasper. Here's a real example. A local gym wants a 4-part email sequence for a New Year promo. I enter basic info into Jasper's email campaign template, and within 3 minutes, I've got subject lines, body copy, CTAs, done. I package this into a branded PDF, deliver it, and invoice $400. The gym is thrilled, and now I have recurring work every month. Now imagine stacking all of this. You're freelancing, running affiliate blogs, helping clients, and it's all built on Jasper. This is the quantum shift. It's the moment you stop trading time for money and start leveraging AI to build systems. This isn't theory, this is execution. And the tools are already here. The only thing missing is your action. If you want the blueprint, download the AI Hustler Starter Kit below. Like and comment. Volt. Don't forget to subscribe. Every week, I'll show you how to build AI-powered income systems that work while you sleep. This is AI Quantum Volt. Automate, escape, scale.